Hi Year 1, this video is going to be some vocab that we will be using in our topic lessons. So now some geography words. The first one is habitat. Habitat. Fantastic. Now habitat, if you have a look here, these are all different types of habitat. It's a home a natural home where animals and plants all live together. Environment. Environment. Now, the environment is the conditions all around you. So whether it's hot or cold, whether it's wet or dry, and all the different types of plants and animals that surround you, that is your environment. And the last one is adaptation. Adaptation. Fantastic, well done. And adaptation is a special feature that allows animals to be more suited to living in their environment. So I have a few examples for you right here. A giraffe's adaptation is that it has a really long neck so that it can reach the food that's at the top of the tallest trees. Polar bear. Polar bear's adaptations are that it's white, so it blends into its environment, and they also have really small ears and a small nose because they live in such a cold place that it helps to keep them warm, so their nose and ears stay safe. And the last one is a chameleon. And the chameleon's adaptation is that it can change colour. Its whole body can change colour to hide in its environment, so it stays safe away from things that might eat it. Our next word is polar. Polar. Fantastic. Polar habitats are at the top and bottom of our Earth. A polar habitat is the place that we've been talking about. It's really cold, it's really dry, and they have animals like polar bears and Arctic foxes and things like that. Right, our next word is rainforest. Rainforest. Fantastic. Now, the Amazon rainforest is in South America. So next time you have a look at a map, try and find the Amazon rainforest. Okay? The Amazon rainforest is warm and very, very wet because of the rain, obviously. And there are animals, lots of really colourful animals, like all these colourful birds. Okay. Our next word is grassland. Grassland. Now, there are grasslands in Central Africa. So next time you have a look at a picture or a map, you're going to have a look for Central African grasslands. Now, grasslands are not dry, but they're not wet, so they're in between, and they're warm places, and they have animals like zebras and giraffes and all of these little animals. And there's mostly grass in a grassland. There's not quite enough water for a lot of trees to grow, so it's mostly grass. Okay, our last one is desert. Desert. Now, deserts are very hot and very dry, but they can get very, very cold at night time as well when the sun goes away. And the deserts are all of these yellow areas on our globe. So there's some deserts in Africa, some in Asia, and some in Australia. And in our deserts there are lots of hot adapted animals like fire ants. Can you think of any other animals that live in these habitats and write me a list? That is the end of our vocab for this week. I will see you at school.